Take a ride in the 2022 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.